Hi guys, welcome to our channel Shubhada Group of Education. Sirsi, you are watching Satish Sir's physics videos for Karnataka CET and NEET. Okay, so here is a problem on motion in one dimension. The displacement of a body along x-axis depends on time as root x is equal to t plus 1. Then the velocity of the body is okay. So as you know that the velocity as you know that velocity v is equal to dx divided by dt, correct? This is what we have studied. So that's the reason why, let me get the value of x now. So as they are given root x is equal to t plus 1, so let me square on both sides, so that root x square, that is equal to t plus 1 the whole square. So therefore I will get x is equal to t square plus 2t plus 1. Okay, so now I got the value for x now. So let me differentiate with respect to time. Dx divided by dt is nothing but velocity v is equal to d by dt of t square plus 2t plus 1, that is equal to 2t plus 2 here. Okay, so velocity is equal to 2t plus 2, in the sense as the t increases, velocity must increase, because this is directly proportional to 2t, right? V is equal to 2t plus 2. So that's the reason there is a direct relationship with time. So that's the reason why it increases with time. Option A is the right answer for this question. Look at the next problem here. A person moves 30 meter north. So this is the direction sense test. So that's the reason why you need to remember the directions like this. This is what the north, south, east and west. Okay, so please try to remember the directions like this. Okay, so let me draw the free body diagram now. First of all, 30 meter north. Let me take the origin. Assume that this is the origin now. Okay, so now this is what 30 meter along the north direction. So after that, okay, after that then 20 meter towards the east, 20 meter towards the east. Okay, 20 meter towards the east now. So after that 30 root 2 meter in the southwest direction. Okay, southwest direction, in the sense this is the southwest direction. So that's the reason why he should move like this. Okay, so this is what the 30 root 2 meter. Okay, so now the question is to find out the net displacement, right? The displacement of the person from the origin will be. So now they are expecting this value. Okay, so what is the this value is the question now. Okay, so let me name the points. Say this is origin O and this is A. After that it is B, and after that it is C. Okay, so now this, they are asking the question OC is equal to how much? As you know that the displacement is a vector quantity, so we need to use the vector addition here. OC vector is equal to OA vector plus AB vector plus BC vector. Okay, I need to get all the vector additions of the all the displacements, correct? OA plus AB plus BC. Okay, so now let me try to get the value one by one. Okay, OA. Okay, OA value. How to get the value of OA? OA vector is equal to, it is along y axis, right? So that's the reason why positive y axis, that's the reason why it is plus 30 j cap. Okay, similarly AB equal to AB vector, AB equal to 20 I cap, 20 I cap, because it is plus, as it is in the positive x direction, let me take it as 20 I cap, 20 I cap. Okay, similarly BC equal, this is what very much important, BC vector, this is along southwest direction, right? Southwest direction, both are negative. Okay, because they are in the third quadrant, we can say. Okay, for simplifying, so it is in the third quadrant, so both x as well as y must be, the values must be negative. So as to know that the vector revolution, that is what 45 degree, so that I can, this is the vector now, this is what BC vector, then this is what 45 degree, this is what the vertical component, this is the horizontal component, this is must be BC sin theta, and this is what BC cos theta. Sorry, I made a wrong here. This is what the vertical component is BC, because it is 45 degree, right? This is what angle BC cos theta, and this is horizontal component BC sin theta, BC sin theta. Okay, so therefore I will get BC is equal to negative, both are negative. Okay, so that's the reason why it is what BC equal to minus 35 minus 30 root 2 sin 45 degree 45 degree j cap minus 30 root 2 cos 45 degree j cap. Okay, so this is how you can say this is equal to minus 30, both are 1 by root 2 1 by root 2, right? Minus 30 I cap plus minus 30 j cap. Okay, so now add them all. The OC vector is equal to OA equal to plus 30 j cap, AB equal to plus 20 j cap minus 30 I cap minus 30 j cap. Okay, so in this one you will get it as 10, right? You will get it as minus 10 I cap. You get minus 10 I cap. So the final answer is minus 10 I cap, minus 10 I cap. Minus 10 I cap in the sense how much? Minus 10 I cap. Minus 10 I cap belongs to OC is equal to 10 meter along which direction? This direction, right? This is the which direction? It is west, 10 meter west. So then why option C is the right answer for this question. Okay, so this is how you can solve the direction based questions on motion in one dimension. Okay, 20. So look at the next problem. A cyclist starts from the center O of a circular park of radius 1 meter. Okay, so now this is for the circular track. Now this is what the radius is 1 kilometer, we can say they have given already. Okay, so cyclist starts from point O, right, and he goes to the P, and after that Q, and after that comes to the same point. So the net displacement is going to be how much? Net displacement is going to be 0 because he is in the same position. He starts from O and moves to what? He starts from O and moves to P and moves to Q and again come back to the same point. So that's the reason why the net displacement is going to be how much? 0, we can say. Okay, so let's try to find out the value of the average speed now. Okay, so speed is equal to distance divided by time. Speed is equal to distance divided by time, as you know that. Okay, so the distance, let me try to calculate the value of distance now. Okay, so distance is equal to OP plus PQ plus QO. Okay, so OP is 1 kilometer plus now QP is circumference of circle, right? 1 by 4 because this is the first part. Suppose you can what is that? You can part the circle into 4 different parts, right? So this is what first part, this is second part, this is third part, this is the fourth part. So this is what the first part, in the sense 1 by 4. This is what 1 by 4. So that's the reason why it is 1 by 4 of the circumference. So that is what 2 pi into R is 1 kilometer plus 1 because QO is again 1. So this will lead you to get the answer as like 14.28 divided by 4 kilometer. Okay, so now therefore the speed is equal to distance is 14.28 divided by 4 divided by the time is how much? Now time is 10 minutes. You need to convert it into hour, so that I can say 10 by 60, that is what 10 by 60 hour. So which will lead you to get the answer as 21.42 kilometer per hour. 21.42 kilometer per hour. That's the reason why option D is the right answer for this question. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please do like this video and please do share this video with your friends and colleagues to support us. Please do subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, make a comment on the comment box so that I can help you with. Okay, so I will upload few more videos on motion in one dimension as well as on class 11. Please do watch them. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best for examinations.